Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any photo into WhatsApp and Instagram stickers. So first of all, let's get started with turning any photo in WhatsApp sticker. Head over to your WhatsApp application and simply open a chat. In here, tap on sticker icon from your bottom left-hand side. Then again, tap on sticker. Now, as you can see, this is the sticker that I have just created. If you would like to create one as well, tap on this create button and it will open up your gallery section. From there, simply select a image which you would like to convert into sticker. Now, as you do that, it will automatically create you a sticker. All you have to do is tap on the send button. And now you can see it has been sent as a sticker. Now, once you have sent this sticker, it will be automatically saved. As you can see, it is right here. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for Instagram. Head over to your Instagram, get logged into your account, then tap onto a message. Now from here, as you can see that I have just sent a sticker, let's go ahead and create one. Tap on sticker icon here, tap on cutouts. Now for WhatsApp, the cutout is similar to what we created. So tap on cutouts, it will open up your gallery section. From there, select an image which you would like to send as a sticker. Now from here, tap on simply a frame which you would like to cut out, then tap on Save Sticker. And once this process has been completed, it will automatically be saved in your sticker gallery. If you'd like to access it, tap on the sticker icon, then tap on Resend. And you can see this is the thing that I have just created. Now tap onto it, and this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.